Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the country. Here are the headlines. Supreme Court to hear TMC leader Abhishek Banerjee's plea in the teachers' recruitment scam on May 26th. Delhi High Court summons BBC in defamation case over the documentary India, the Modi Question. Kerala High Court seeks state government response on plea claiming ₹1 crore in compensation in the lady doctor's murder case. No sympathy can be shown towards employees submitting forged documents, holds Delhi High Court, while upholding dismissal of women from service. Motor Accident Claims Tribunal grants compensation of more than ₹2 crores for government employees' death in road accident. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. The Supreme Court's vacation bench, comprising Justices Aniruddha Bose and Sanjay Karol, agreed to list on May 26th the matter of TMC leader Abhishek Banerjee against the order of Calcutta High Court that gave central agencies like CBI and ED power to interrogate Banerjee in relation to the teachers' recruitment scam in West Bengal. Banerjee challenged the order passed by Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay on April 13th. Senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi appeared for Banerjee and argued that the central investigation agencies have called Banerjee when he is campaigning outside the state of West Bengal. On May 18th, the Calcutta High Court dismissed the plea to recall the order against Banerjee, while also imposing ₹25 lakhs in cost upon him. The High Court of Delhi summoned the British Broadcasting Company in the defamation suit over the documentary titled India, the Modi Question. The documentary has been surrounded in controversy for being derogatory to the reputation of India and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Senior advocate Harish Salve appeared for the Gujarat-based non-profit organization Justice on Trial that filed the present defamation suit. A single-judge bench of Justice Sachin Datta issued the summons to BBC and listed the matter for September for further consideration. The High Court of Kerala sought the response of the state government and the Director General of Police on a plea claiming ₹1 crore in compensation over the violence and brutal murder of a lady doctor who was killed by a criminal man brought to the hospital for medical examination by the police. The plea is filed by the family members of the deceased Dr. Vandana Das, who was a 23-year-old surgeon. The plea also stated that the incident could have been avoided if the state provided adequate security and that the police was not able to defend the illegal acts of the accused, even though there was police aid at the government hospital. The plea further said that the police is duty-bound to forecast such a dangerous situation and they should be much efficient and alert in their duty hours. Retreat or run away from an encounter by police cannot be justified in any circumstances. Justice Mini Pushkarna of the Delhi High Court, while upholding the order of dismissal of a woman from service, held that employees guilty of submitting forged documents to their employer have to be dealt with strictly and no sympathy or compassion can be shown to such persons. The High Court was hearing a plea filed by a woman who was given a compassionate appointment in the Bihar Bhavan Group 4 category after the death of her husband. She sought the setting aside of a 2014 order by the employer that dismissed her from service. The High Court, while deciding the petition, said that there was a clear finding by the inquiry officer that the petitioner has not been able to prove that the certificate of passing class 8th as submitted by her was a genuine document. The Motor Accident Claims Tribunal directed National Insurance Company Limited to pay a compensation over ₹2 crores to the family members of a government employee in Delhi who died in a road accident in 2019. According to the prosecution, the victim was walking on a road in Delhi's Rohini area when a car being driven in a rash and negligent manner hit him and caused his death a day later. The insurance company claimed that there was contributory negligence on the part of the victim, but the MACT rejected the plea of the insurance company, stating that there was no evidence on record to show that he was at fault and that the dependents of the victim were liable to compensation. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.